This is a short Qigong warm-up routine for the neck and shoulders. This is a great routine to release tension and stiffness in the neck and shoulders, as well as improve joint mobility. Stand naturally, with your feet as wide as your shoulders. Keep your back nice and relaxed. Keep your head in an upright, natural position. Begin with a simple shoulder rotation. Raise your right hand up and above the head and turn your torso behind. Pause at the top and gently bring the hand down. Repeat again. Inhale as you raise your hand up. Exhale as you bring it down. 2 more repetitions. Inhale up. Exhale down. And the last one here. Inhale up. Pause, exhale and relax down. Now raise your left hand up as you look behind. Pause here for just a moment. Exhale, relax down. Again, inhale as you raise the hand up. Exhale as you bring it down. 2 more repetitions here. And the last one, inhale up. Pause, exhale down. Relax both hands by the side. The next exercise is a spiral arm twist, as if your hand twined round the tree. Inhale and twist, exhale and spiral around. Avoid twisting too much, keep the movement as natural as possible. We'll do 5 repetitions here and then 5 on the other side. Relax your hand and begin with the other hand. Inhale and spiral, extend your arm. Exhale, relax. Inhale, exhale. 3 more repetitions here. Inhale and extend. Exhale and relax. Very good. The next movement is called lotus. So put both hands in front of you, fingers spread, then spiral around and make into a loose fist. Bring your hand towards the body and spiral behind, bringing both hands back in front of you. Continue the movement. Inhale as you bring both hands towards the body. Exhale as you bring them back. Repeat the movement 5 times. Breathe naturally without force. When you're finished, relax your hands by the side. The last exercise is an extended version of the lotus. The hips slide back as you place both hands in front of the abdomen. Take a nice deep breath and bring both hands towards the body. Spiral the hands behind, just like we did in the previous exercise, and then scoop the energy around. Bring both hands back to the lower abdomen. Repeat this movement 5 times. Inhale as you come up. Exhale as you spiral around. If your shoulders are sensitive or you're recovering from the injury, do a smaller range of motion. Remember to breathe naturally. When you've finished, relax your hands by the sides. I hope you enjoyed it and see you next time.